If you need to find your audience ID in Mailchimp, this quick tutorial will show you exactly where to go and what to click. Your audience ID is useful when you're connecting Mailchimp to other tools, setting up integrations, or troubleshooting an audience-based automation. The process is simple, and once you know where to look, you can get it in just a few clicks. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Mailchimp. Once you're signed in, look for the Audience section in the main navigation. Click on Audience to open your Audience dashboard. After that, you'll need to access the Audience options. On the Audience page, find the three dots menu. This is where Mailchimp keeps additional settings and tools related to your list. Click the three dots to open the menu, then select Audience Settings. This will take you to the settings area for the audience you're currently using. Now, on the Audience Settings page, look carefully for Audience ID. You'll see it displayed next to the label, and this is the unique ID for that specific audience. You can copy it from there and paste it wherever you need it for your integration or setup. If you manage more than one audience, make sure you're copying the ID for the correct one, since each audience has its own unique identifier. And that's it. You've now found your Audience ID in Mailchimp. It only takes a moment once you know the path, and now you can use it confidently in your workflows, tools, and automations. If this tutorial was useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful guide.